Hello, my Chiku Piku friends. This is part 2 of product visualization tutorial. In the last part, we learned how to do 3D modeling of cold drink cans and created water drops. Now in this video, we will learn how to add texture in body, and we increasing the quality of the products. If you haven't watched my last video, so why are you fucking waiting for? Just go and watch my previous video part 1 and then return on this video. Let's start the tutorial. Now you can see the texture on the body not look like human skin texture, so we cut the texture and we adding new texture. For human skin texture, I'm using Blender Kit add-in. It's totally free, you can use it. I love this add-in. Now you can see it's look little bit roughly texture. I increase the texture for quality. I increasing texture like this because I want to do fast modeling. But you can increase the texture in shading mode. I select the nipple, and now I do separate it for different texture. I'm going to add new texture for nipple. It's look good, you can see the texture of the nipple is different, it makes some sense. Okay, so the human skin texture work is done, it's look really pretty. In the final video tutorial, we will learn how to do Ultra Pro lighting setup hour for product visualization. If you learned something from me, just comment below. Hope you enjoy my video. If you enjoy, so grab hammer in your hand and break like button and subscribe button for more super duper product visualization videos. If you have not watched my previous video, go and watch by click I button. Goodbye my Chiku Piku friends, I will meet you in the next video. For watching my next video, subscribe the channel.